perfect American pie starts with a blend of tart and sweet apples. Did you know the first recipe dates back to 1381? America made it iconic by adding rich brown sugar and abundant cinnamon. Ice-cold butter in the dough is the secret to flaky layers. And that classic lattice top? It actually lets steam escape while baking, keeping the crust perfectly crisp. The word fajita comes from the Spanish faja, meaning strip or belt, referring to the skirt steak originally cooked by Tex-Mex cowboys. A vibrant lime and cumin marinade is essential to tenderize the cut. Wrap it all in a warm, toasted flour tortilla with a fresh squeeze of lime. A sizzling, savory masterpiece born on the ranches, perfectly crafted and ready to be enjoyed.